Hello and welcome back to 5 Minute English Talk. I'm Bruce.
And I'm Stacy. Before we start, take a deep breath and smile. Because you've already done something great. You're giving yourself 5 minutes to grow your English skills.
5 minutes may not sound like much, but it's powerful. When you practice a little every day, your brain builds rhythm, confidence, and fluency step by step. So even if you're busy, even if it's Monday, remember, small steps create big results.
And yes, today's theme is Monday. That day most people find a little hard to love. But don't worry, we'll make it sound fun and positive through natural English phrases.
Let's start with Monday blues. You've probably heard people say this when they're feeling a little tired or unmotivated at the start of the week. It's that feeling of, oh no, the weekend's over. This means feeling a bit low or unmotivated when Monday arrives. Examples: I've got the Monday blues. I wish the weekend lasted longer. Coffee helps me fight the Monday blues. It's a lighthearted way to say you're not fully in the mood yet.
Now, once we shake off the Monday blues, it's time to get back to the grind. This phrase means returning to your regular work or routine after a break, like getting back to emails, meetings, or studies. Examples: vacation's over, back to the grind. It's Monday morning, time to get back to the grind. It's not negative, it simply means time to get moving again.
But hey, Mondays aren't all bad. You can also look at it positively. New week, new goals. It's a great reminder that every Monday gives you a fresh start, a chance to reset and refocus on what you want to achieve. This one sounds optimistic. A way to see Monday as a fresh start. Examples: it's Monday, new week, new goals. I like to plan my week every Monday, new week, new goals. It's a great reminder that every Monday is a chance to reset and grow.
And finally, sometimes you might hear someone say, a case of the Mondays. It's just a fun way to describe someone who's moving slowly, yawning, or not feeling their best because, well, it's Monday. Examples: you look sleepy. Got a case of the Mondays? Everyone's quiet today. Must be a case of the Mondays. It's often used jokingly among friends or coworkers.
Let's practice these together. Listen and repeat after me with feeling. Pause slightly between each line. I've got the Monday blues. Back to the grind. New week, new goals. Do you have a case of the Mondays? Repeat them again if you can. The more you say them out loud, the more natural they'll sound in real conversation.
Here's something interesting. Studies show that many people are actually most productive on Monday mornings. Surprising, right? It's because our minds feel refreshed after the weekend.
So instead of seeing Monday as a struggle, think of it as your personal restart button. A chance to begin again, set fresh goals, and take that first step toward what you want. Remember, you don't have to love Mondays, but you can choose to use them well. Let's see how natural conversation sounds.
I've got the Monday blues today.
Same here. Back to the grind. But hey, new week, new goals, right?
You're right. Maybe I just need some coffee. I've got a serious case of the Mondays.
Don't worry, by noon, you'll be unstoppable again.
See how natural that sounds? These short phrases can make your English sound friendly, casual, and real.
When you wake up, say one positive thing about Monday in English. For example, today is a new week, new goals, or I'm ready to beat the Monday blues. Say it 3 times with confidence, maybe even record yourself. It's a small step toward making English a natural part of your day.
Every Monday is a blank page, a new start. It's not the day to dread, it's the day to begin again. So take your coffee, smile, and remember, progress happens one Monday at a time.
Thanks for listening to 5 Minute English Talk. If you enjoyed today's episode, please leave a comment, give a review, and rate the show. It really helps more learners discover us.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, it only takes 5 minutes a day to sound more natural in English.